Objections to motions will never stop. That is a protest. We are protesting. So, when you protest, you use all means necessary to draw attention to your protest, but also to ensure that you offend the enemy. We are protesting because those people passed a rule which forces members of parliament to be removed from the assembly. We are being assaulted, comrades. It looks like South Africans don't know what's happening. You are assaulted. You are physically assaulted by those bouncers. When they came to fetch me inside the chamber there, I sat there and they started pulling me. I said, no, you don't do that. You must first come and then tell me to leave the house nicely. And that's human relations. Only then you can start pulling me if I refuse. Then they say to me, okay, then stand up. Then I stand and then I leave. On my way out, one of them takes my hand and wants to squeeze it in a manner that it will hurt me. I'm not fighting, I'm walking. The man still sees a need to physically assault me. And I stop, I say, who are you trying to impress? I'm trying to impress white people. A black man assaulting another black man. Is that what you are trying to do? Well, I'm walking. I'm not fighting you. I'm not saying anything to anyone. You asked me to leave. I'm leaving. Why are you doing this? Only then he's embarrassed and then leaves me to walk. But you can see that these are apartheid agents. They are bloody thirsty. They are looking for blood. Now let's go to the rule of removing people in parliament. It says those people can come in if there is a disruption. On the day in question, there is no disruption. Parliament has exhausted its business of the day. At the end, unprovoked, the presiding officer brings some ruling there. And then I refuse to leave. In my refusal to leave, I don't sing, I don't shout, I speak back, and then when she switches off the mic, I go and sit down. There's no disruption. I'm sitting down. But because they are agitated, they are looking for blood, they are looking to manhandle EFF leaders. Even when you are not disrupting, call those bouncers to come and assault you. So it can't be correct. So the objection of motions is to protest against all those political parties which allowed the manhandling of members of parliament.